Hello, my name is Meng and welcome to my Kwasa page. Thank you for your support and thank you for following my page. But if you are not like my page or following my page, I hope that you can click now, like my page and like or follow my page now. Okay, so a lot of people have called me or asked me, they are very confused in buying online. I attach here, you can see in this Kwasa page, I attach a photo here on Elken and I also attach a link on how to buy Elken online yourself. So there are people who actually say that hey, I'm very confused about the link. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fill up the link and what does it mean in some of the terms that we use. Okay, so no worry. So let's go to the link now. So you can see the link here, online purchase yourself. Okay, so you just click on the link. You will open another page. So once it open another page, you will come to here. Okay, now the standard is default, is by default, is click and standard. So ignore the EK Smart. So here you choose the country where you are from. For example, like if I'm in Malaysia, I choose Malaysia. But if let's say that you are in Singapore, you choose Singapore. And if you are in Brunei, you choose Brunei. If you're in Thailand, you choose Thailand. Okay, and select where you are. But if in the event that if you are not listed in any of the country here, for example, like you are in Russia, you are in US, okay, so you click the international section. That's easy. So for here, I select Malaysia and I select the language that you prefer, English, Bahasa or Chinese. So for me, I select the English, and this is the confusing part where most people ask me. BA and prefer customer. BA is the chance for you to join as brand ambassador or join as member for free. So when you purchase any product which is more than 30 BV, your membership is free. See, so I repeat again, your membership is free. Just choose 30 BV. You can see once you go into the product, you can see the product, you can see the price, and you can see the BV point. Some are 30 BV, some are 15 BV, some are 20 BV. So you just add up the product up to 30 BV and your membership is free. See, so this is the meaning of BA. But for some reason, there are people that who don't prefer to become a member. They just want to buy the product and use. Okay, so this is where you click the prefer customer. So you just click on the prefer customer. You can see there will be a tick. If you click on the BA, there will be a tick there. So this is prefer customer. So assuming that you want to become a preferred customer only, so you click prefer customer and you click enroll now. Now of course you will see a name here called Tan Bee Hong. Tan Bee Hong is my wife. Okay, I don't use my name here because we are working on my wife account only. So after that you just click enroll now. So once you click enroll now, you will go to another segment where you fill your details. Okay, now these details is not that Elken want to keep your personal data. No worry, all personal data are protected. So even I cannot get your personal data if Elken don't give it to me. Okay, so sometimes you ask that why if I don't join BA, I want to become a preferred customer, and they still ask about the personal data. Well, this is actually the requirement from the government. Okay, so any information required here actually is preferred from the government. So you just fill up all the detail here. There's two segments here. You can see one personal detail and then another one here called contact detail. See, contact detail. So you just have to fill up these two sections. Okay, so when you reach the contact detail, this one you have to, this is the part that most people get confused. Okay, so you have to key in your email address or your phone number, and then the company will send you, the system will send you a verification code. Okay, so you send verification code and then you enter the code here. Now why is it like that? Because the company don't want any dummy data, or they don't want robot, they don't want anybody who is not real. So again, as a reminder, this is actually the requirement by the government. Okay, so once you queue up this one, once you fill up everything here, once everything is done, you click next and you will go to the product listing. See, I didn't fill the thing, so that's why you can't see. So once you click next, you go to the product listing. From there, you just select the product, add to cart, and then go to pay. So once you go to pay, then after that you key in the address. So the address, you key in the delivery address, and once you make the payment, company will arrange the delivery direct to your doorstep. It is actually that simple. See, but then if you, in the event that if you have any problem, you still don't understand, just give me a call as a WhatsApp below. See, under here, see, I put in my WhatsApp also. This is my WhatsApp number. See, you just click the link and you will go direct to my WhatsApp. I'll be very willing to help you. So any problem, just let me know. Thank you very much.